Hey there. Well, have you ever wanted to run powerful AI models like Flux right on your Mac, but just didn't know where to start? We don't? Maybe it seemed too technical or confusing. Well, today I'm going to walk you through everything, step by step, so you can install and use Flex AI like a pro, without wasting hours searching forums or downloading the wrong version. And stick around till the end, because I'll also show you a cool trick to generate some stunning images with Flux. If you're into smart AI tools that save you time and help you earn more, hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss an update. And be sure to watch this video all the way through, because skipping even one small step could mean Flux won't run properly. All right, let's jump in. So first things fun, we need to install a tool that makes using models like Flux super easy on Mac. That tool is called DiffusionBee. It's one of the most beginner-friendly apps out there, especially for folks using macOS. To get it, open your browser and go to the official DiffusionBee site. I'll also drop this link for you in the video description so you don't have to hunt it down. Once you're on the site, scroll down a bit and you'll see download options. Now pay attention here. If you're using a Mac with Apple Silicon, like an M1, M2, or M3 chip, click the Download for Mac Apple Silicon button. If you're on an older Intel-based Mac, you'll use the 64-bit macOS version. Windows version is still not ready, so for now, this is all about Mac. I'm currently on a MacBook Pro with the M4 chip, and it works great. But instead of downloading directly from the site's main button, here's a pro tip. Head over to DiffusionBee's GitHub repository. It's also linked below. Why? Because sometimes the website download button doesn't have the latest version. Once you're on the GitHub page, look for the Releases section. You'll see something like 22 releases. Click that, and it'll expand a list of available versions. Look for the one that says something like v2.5.3. This version has support for Flux One M8 generation models. Make sure it says ARM64 and supports macOS 13 Plus, especially if you're on an Apple Silicon Mac, like I am. Now click on the file that ends in .dmg. Usually name something like DiffusionBee MPS ARM64.dmg. That will start your download. Once the download's done, just double-click the file and drag the app into your Applications folder. That's it. Since I already have it installed, I won't do it again here. But it's a super standard Mac install process. You'll be up and running in a minute or two. Now go ahead and open up DiffusionBee. When you launch it, you'll see a clean interface with different AI tools. But today, we're focusing on the Flux AI model, so let's scroll down and find it. When you click on the Flux model for the first time, DiffusionBee will ask you to download it. Just click the Download button, and it'll begin pulling in the model files. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so grab a coffee or take a breath. Once the download finishes, you'll now be able to generate images using Flux directly from your Mac, without needing any command line coding or complex installs. Now, let me show you some sample images I've generated using Flux. As you can see, the image quality is really impressive, especially how it renders fine text details. Some models struggle with that, but Flux actually does a decent job. Of course, results may vary based on your prompt. About the prompts, let me share a pro resource that helps me create better images. Go to a site called prompthero.com. I'll link it below too. Once you're there, look for the tab labeled Flux. This page is filled with real prompts that others have used to create beautiful artwork using Flux. Let's say you find an image you love. Just copy the prompt, head back into DiffusionBee, and paste it into the input box. Then hit Generate. That's it. For me, generating an image at a resolution of 1024 by 1216 usually takes around 30 to 40 seconds with my M4. So it's pretty quick. Want to generate multiple images at once? You totally can. Here's how. Choose a second prompt from Prompt Hero, copy it, go back to DiffusionBee, paste it below your current one, and click on Add to Queue. The software will process them one by one. Super helpful if you're batch creating content. Let me show you another example while that runs. I'll just swap out the prompt, paste a new one, and queue it up. Easy. While the image generates, let me show you a few more settings. At the top of the app, you can choose your model version. I usually stick with the Flux One Schnell version, but feel free to test out Dev if you're feeling experimental. You can also adjust the resolution, number of images to generate, and even apply styles to match different aesthetics. Here are the images I have generated. They look very nice and good quality. So that's it. You now know exactly how to install, run, and create with Flux AI on your Mac. No more guesswork. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button so more people can find it. And if you want more hands-on guides just like this, be sure to subscribe to the Vincent AI. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know what you're building with Flux, or if you run into any issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.